After the interview, you got the job? Congrats! So, what's next? Hi, I'm Sam. In today's video, I'm going to give you some tips to be a good junior UX UI designer. Congrats! You got the job. So, what's next? Let me tell you a story. When I got my first serious job as a junior UX designer, I was so happy. I had so many wireframes to do, so many user stories to do, and I wanted to do everything by the end of the day. But one of my coworkers told me, hey dude, do things at your pace. You don't want to burn out so quickly, right? And he was right. I need to keep doing things within the scope of time, and after a couple of months I understood doing things at my own pace, but always within the due time. So this is my first thing to you: don't rush with all. You don't need to do everything by the end of the day. There are some tasks that you need to set it down first and understand what you have to do. So keep things at your own pace. The second tip is ask more questions and talk with everybody, with your team leader, coworker, manager, developer, with everybody, because sometimes you don't know what the requirement is or what you need to do, where is the file, and something interesting happens when you stand up with question. You get noticed, and it is good because it shows interest in your work and your task. Ask for feedback on your work and pay attention to the suggestions. This is the second tip: ask questions. What question do you have? The third tip to you is keep learning. Nowadays, learning is not an option. This advice is for all levels. Try to learn from YouTube video, podcasts, reading blogs. Try to learn soft and hard skills. This is an important advice because this will help you to improve your career. Try to learn the new variants of Figma, the new options of a layout. But the most important thing is practice and apply all the things you've learned, because practice makes perfect. These were my 3 tips to not only be a good junior UX designer. No. This is for keep growing in your career. So keep in mind this tip, and good luck with your new job. Thanks for watching.